Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with McGee's. I will be doing a short unboxing as well as a tutorial on helping you guys get the Google Home Mini all set up. So on to unboxing. First we got to peel this little protective film off. Alright, next you got a little tab right here that you can just peel off to get inside the box. Peel that like so. And then you can open the box and there's your Google Home Mini. Alright, take the Google Home Mini out and here's a good look at it. Alright, pretty small, compact, just like the Amazon Echo Dot. Alright, inside you have your instructions right here. Also have the power cable as well. Oh, and these instructions, guys, you won't be needing them, so just toss them away. First things first, you're going to connect your power cable to your Google Home Mini, and they give you a lengthy power cable, which is nice. So you're going to get that all plugged in right there with the micro USB and find a power source. Alright guys, once you have connected your Google Home Mini to a power source, it will go through a sequence of lighting and then it will tell you to download the Google Home app.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
To the Google app. The Google Home Mini all set up. It's time for a test run. Hey Google, how are you doing today?
I'm feeling pretty chill. Since the weather is cooling down in many parts of the country, it's a good time to stay warm indoors and dig up some fun winter facts. I learned that the record for the largest snowflake is 15 inches wide and 8 inches thick.
Interesting. Hey Google, how long would it take the average person to walk around the world?
I'm not sure, but I can tell you the answer to a similar question. How long would it take you to walk around the world? Would that help?
Yes.
On the website matadornetwork.com, they say, the official record of first woman to walk around the world was taken away from Fiona Campbell when it emerged she cheated on a few miles of the journey during the USA leg of her trip. Nonetheless, she completed a walk of 20,000 miles, crossing the USA, Australia, Africa and Europe in the space of 11 years.
I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial on the Google Home Mini. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe if you love this video. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you next time. Hey Google, say goodbye in German.
Auf Wiedersehen.
Auf Wiedersehen.